Hello, my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Miss Munoz, listo? Or you want me to proceed? Hopefully you can hear me. Uh, it's showing that you're on here. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing you're here, but you're on mute. So,
Ma'am.
oh, I guess that must be you talking very.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. I just wasn't sure if you were hearing. Now,
I have a hard stop at 4:30 because I gotta go pick up someone.
okay, are you going, or I thought it was you, or was I wrong?
I have to go pick up Alan at 4:30 at my mom's house.
So, are you going? I thought you
Ye-
were going. Or am I going?
No, you said you were going.
Oh, I did? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. Let's see. Quotes. And let's get this share done. Uh, share sound. Optimize for video sharing. Share Zoom. Okay. Let's see. All right. So we're back again, my friends. As you can see, let me put this on quote one where I have my important stuff. Um, so uh not too bad. Dollar Tree continues to go down. I have like 2.5 more weeks, 2.5 more weeks for it to come back up. So I'm hoping my contract will come back up at least to 100. Roku, um, well, you know what? Let's just look at Dollar Tree since we have it open. Dollar Tree hit earnings, and since it's hit earnings, it has gapped down even though earnings was good. As you can see here, it has gapped down like it does most of the time. And then it's like you know what is hitting the bed. Um, it's literally caca-ing in the bed. So, this is shocking, but hoping it can come back up. So I can hit my options. It needs to be at a level of 100 or more. So that's where I'm at. Roku.
This could get to $80, Leanna,
Yes, I
if
know.
it continues on this path, and that would
I
be a
know.
great buy-in price.
Yes, it would be. But we'll discuss that after my option contract dies because I don't want that to happen. I want it to go up now. Um, so Roku uh was down today. Ruku's actually been coming on strong if you've been paying attention. Um, recently, obviously, it's not going to be like at $500 the way it was before, but for, everything that's been going on, it's been on the uptick and it seems to like this little area here, I guess you could we'll just call it a 108, 110 area.
Yes,
So right before 110
the
seems
resistance
to
area.
come back down, and that's, strong resistance for it. So the next question you just want to ask yourself is if it can break through or not. And we see the 50-day moving average moved down a little bit, and then it seems like it's already crossing. So this is the third time or the fourth time if you count this initial time right here, back in 2023. But if it can break through, it'll probably go up, and you know, we have to be realistic. But hey, its next stopping point could be right around this 225. So, that's just something to look at if you have Roku and if you're interested. Piton, I mean, yeah. Piton, um, is one of those Kaka stocks that, okay, it gives a decent earning and it starts to go up like cray cray, and it's been sliding like a nutcase, whereas other stocks that have like always get good earnings and they still can't go up, aka Chewy. So Pita, it shouldn't be anywhere near where it's at. Um, it should be like, I would probably say under $3, but that's just me. So people are probably playing with this or doing whatever they do with it. I don't know. Um, but if you got caught in the squeeze, you just got caught in the squeeze. And if you can hold out, hold out. But, if you have in cash or something like that or options, just hold out if it's not bothering you because it will come down. EBC, as you can see, it had a bad day today, but it's very well above that 15 mark. Um, we like that 10 to 15 mark. It looks like we're never or not going to see that anytime soon. Um, I think the most recent closest we got is around like just under 14. Um, when this thing first IPO'd, we got a little bit close. Um, it went up for a long time, and then it did get back in 2023 close to 10, which was the IPO price, and it touched it, got close to touching it a couple of times, but that's basically it. I'm not sure when and if we're gonna get close to that price, but if we ever do get close, I'd probably put my offer down at 12. I probably just have an order in because I think that's a good bet for this um stock. Um, Dix, let's see. Okay. That doesn't tell us anything other than it was a down day today. Um, Dix hit its earnings like it always does, but it has come down from this probably close to 250 area, which I think was all time high. Yep, it was. And and it got to just about this, just under this level, the 180. It got as low as 167, 68, and now it's coming back up to 220. It's not in a space where I wouldn't buy it now because it's on the upturn unless you're just doing something really, really quick for a day, a few hours, and then you're in and out. But it could get top heavy. Um, Apple 1276. Um, this is one of those areas where it's like, hey, we have our order here.
American Airlines, you mean?
Yes. What did I say?
Apple.
Uh, American. You could have bought it here. but it went so low, it scared a lot of people. This is where we have an order at, like right before 11. Um, I just really probably wouldn't start to buy until it starts to get into the holiday season. If you like the airline stock, I don't. It's not really strong, but hey,
It looks like it's gonna go down anyway, so might as well just wait until it hits around $10.
yes, if you like it. Um,
It's just I'm saying, it's
if you
cheap.
like it, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and this kind of broke out, and now it's coming back. Um, I don't have any like, yeah, I don't have any real recommendation for this. This gap up seems kind of scary to me. But I just don't have a recommendation other than you could have bought it around here. Um, Moderna, we don't care. It's $24, by the way. You guys can go look up what it used to be beforehand. That'll tell you something about how caca works. Um,
It reached the value of about 488 $500.
all right, at least it gave you the cheat code. Um,
It was
Disney,
$500 during the pandemic, and now it's 24 and 47.
Disney is still like kind of like handicapped in many ways. Um,
That's
like,
funny, Andy.
well, it is. It's like so like slow. It's just like all over the place, like it's so we had areas here. It's come up, it's getting good, it comes back. Same thing, doesn't get right at this level, it comes up, then it comes back in March. Been coming up slowly, slowly, slowly.
Because
Uh,
it doesn't have a story,
it did a
really.
gap up and
Really, really, Disney just makes money off the park, and that's basically it. But it's not like a stock that's like, ooh, it's not a tech stock or anything.
it doesn't
And
do anything.
Netflix took the what it offered and ran with it, you know.
It's $2 per share. Looks like it's $2 per share, but I don't know when
Two
the heck this
dollars?
thing moves $2 per share per
You
day
mean a day?
because it's just like it seems so freaking slow. Maybe they're counting because of this, like when it jumps up freaking from like, oh, I'm at whatever this price is to freaking what 117.21 to like freaking I don't know what this is. One no 98.69 to like 110. So I don't know how this averages $2 a day, but hey, they say it does. Home Depot, if if you bought the stock when it was cheap, just keep it because it seems like when people are Rico, they're going to Home Depot, or their contractor's going to Home Depot, and when they're poor Bray, they are going to Home Depot, and not the contractor. So, but Home Depot's definitely getting its cut. Um, 73.58. So I really liked Nikete. It had got down to like basically this 50 price. I averaged it around here, and since then it has gapped up, but hasn't done too much. Uh, all I can say is that the gap up was nice, and Target, $90. No commentary. We'll look at that another day. Uh, what is this BLBA? I heard Boeing was in trouble again too. Uh, heard through the grapevine, say. Um,
When is it not in trouble is the question.
it's a news. Let's just say a news story. Another news story came out.
That question should
Hello.
be when is it not in trouble?
157. Um, that thing. That's another thing. Caro that they're obviously protecting somehow. But I'll just keep it to myself. Kava, and I'm almost getting sick of it. I got out a little over half of what I had. Made some good money, and then I was like, it'll come back up, and I'm averaging around 71 in my IRA, and it's just not looking too good. Um, Mickey D's, it hits one of its M's, which is right about here, and now it looks like it may be coming down a little bit here. If you like it, hey, you can write it down. Whatever. Walmart. I'm not gonna go anywhere with this. I'm happy to see that Walmart has crushed the $100 level and it seems to be trying to maintain uh here for a while. Here, come back up now, it's coming up. But before it was taking a sweet time, staying above 100 as you can see. And for the longest, this is another one that's so freaking deceptive because you're like, oh, Walmart, $1.79. It used to be higher. It moves $1.79. Oh wow, close to $2. $1.80. You think it's so great. And look at it. It's those are on its off days. And you see here it had a slight miss. It'll probably bring tariffs and have to say things are going up, but it did have a miss. It made money, obviously. But it was um 0.6 of a cent. Well, I shouldn't say point 06. So it was 6 cents of a dollar. Um, so let's see. This is supposed to be um hmm. I'm just looking to see if I want to talk about any of this caca. Um, no, we don't want to buy this until it gets to like down here to close to 100. It's been waffling. Looks like it's going down, but then it flew back up. So if it gets so close to 100, you could buy XOM. Otherwise, wait for the next bus. Amazon, eh. I'm not gonna bother. It's gonna do its own thing. The other day, I got out of a put and made money at this little crazy, like dip here, probably not this one, but probably the one next to it. And then it's been going up. So, you can make money quickly with it. It's just, you just gotta watch it. Buy, buy an option, a daily or a 2-day option, something like that. Um, Hood, Robin Hood. Okay, it's doing the daggone thing. Um, it's coming up, becoming a beast. Um, NVDA 173. I love NVDA, but you're too much. You know, I can't freaking marry your ass. We can go out, but you're just way too much.
It's going up like cray right now if you go to minute
Yeah.
chart.
It's like way, way like.
Can you go to the minute chart?
Yeah, it does a lot. This is, and $5 and a quarter a day. Uh, per the minutes. This is where you be. Where you be starts at 168 and change, 168 and a half. To all you have to do is wait till after closing. If you just waited here, you got 170.80. So 168 and 68, you got $2 here. You just waited within a span of 20 minutes, 15 minutes, you would have got $3.50 instead of $2. Think about it. From start to finish, you only made $2. Then in 20 minutes, boom, you made $3, three and a half, three and a
Okay, so
quarter.
Oracle, can you go to Oracle?
Uh, I,
I think Oracle's making it go up because it went cray cray.
let's see. Okay, someone must be looking at Oracle. The Oracle
So Oracle made everything in the tech go
that
up
gives
21%.
everything you need to know. So,
Oracle said its earnings report that remaining
and
performance
someone
obligations.
says, we don't have to watch Oracle. It'll be okay. We don't never trade this. But hey, it may
Hey,
be
if you
something.
really wanted to do it, you would have.
We had a little wick, a nice wick that you could have jumped on, like boom. But yeah, so that was that.
All right, I gotta get going soon.
Um, oh yeah. And then our last one, we got Google, but the two winners, AMD and Coin. And we'll look at Coin because it's caca and we love us some caca. Um, so this is not really great chart to see. Um, yeah, you're kind of on the way down. I it's not my big thing right now. And I'm not a big fan of Coin, but let's look at Google really quick. And Google is flying very high, very nice, very, very good day today.
And you go put
And
a meta too?
Meta, it was one of the better ones also today.
Hmm.
It was a fly by night. You could have got out here first, what, hour or so and made most of your money, but you could have stayed in if you wanted to. And made a little bit more, couple dollars more. Um, you know, um, Meta is one of those people. I think they just want to keep
Meta.
like making money out of you,
Meta is
no
one of
matter
those
what.
people.
Like it's just gone bananas. Like this was its only rundown. Okay. And it's always been bananas. So they must be smoking some crack or something over there and working all night. But whatever they're doing, keep it up.
All
And
right, ma'am. I gotta get going.
that's it. Peace out. Thank you guys. Miss Munoz, do you have anything to say to the people?
Yes, please for watch out for Thursday. There's a CPI report.
Like, subscribe. We'll see you mañana. My friend will be talking and we'll have some fun. Peace out, guys.
Peace out.